Hello everyone. So today we will discuss soil. What is soil? Uppermost layer of the surface of the earth, which is fertile, which is useful for us. It is in Kannada, it is called as mandu, mitti, mati. Okay, soil. Soil is very important, and actually 95% of our life is depending upon soil. We will just explain how it happens. Suppose I will take example of Himalaya. Okay. Himalaya, right? This is the foothills of Himalaya. Many small lines are also there. Don't worry, no problem. These are also small. Okay, Himalaya, no problem. This is cloud, and suppose rain is happening. Rainfall is happening. What will happen? Water will come down. Slope. Already slope is there. Steep slope. With gravity, steep slope with gravity. Water will move fast. While moving fast, this water will make friction or fraction. Friction with the corner of the Himalaya or any hill. So this part slowly, whatever the pebbles are there, big pebbles, it will slide off. It will come down. After coming here, what will happen? There is a plain area. It will not move. It will accumulate here. What? It will accumulate here. So keep in mind, whenever we talk about the alluvial soil. Which soil?
Alluvial soil.
Alluvial, which is more fertile soil. Alluvial soil. I will tell you one technical word. Alluvial. Alluvium. Alluvium. Fertile content in that. Alluvium. Okay. This alluvial soil is formed because of this fertile plain area there in India. It is actually because of what? This river system. Which river system? First of all, if you see the map of India, so we have different river system. First is Yamuna, Ganga means Ganga only. Okay. This is Brahmaputra. This is Indus. These are the river systems. This river, what they, because of this Kali, Tista, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, all rivers are there in this area. These rivers are flowing from Himalaya. This is Himalaya. So this foothill of Himalaya, this area has a maximum fertile soil. Which soil?
Fertile soil.
And fertile soil is called as
Alluvial.
So keep in mind, this foothill means this area. This Himalaya is here. This foothill means this area. This area in English also called as Piedmont. What? Piedmont. What? What is Piedmont? Piedmont. Pied means foot. Mont means mountain. At the downside of mountain, foothills of mountain. See, why big pebbles are there? Because this is slope. Big pebbles will come down. These big pebbles will not move ahead because it's a slope. The slope is not there. It's a plain area. These big pebbles are called as. These big pebbles are called as Bhabar. What? What? They are not Bhabar. In textbook they have given Bhabar, but it's a Bhabar. Okay, no problem. This Bhabar is actually not fertile because it is actually big pebbles. But water will go inside. Water will go inside. Some particles will come here, but this area will have a small amount of soil. You can see during rainfall, soil will move. Soil will wash away, right? This soil will get accumulated here with water. With
Water.
this area is actually daldal. What?
Daldal.
Marshy, daldal. One more word is there. What is that word? Marshy area, daldal area, swampy area. What is kishad in Kannada? Mud with water. Kesru. Ketru.
Kesru.
Kesru.
Hmm.
Okay. This area is called as Tarai. What? Tarai. Now keep in mind, when this river will flow fast, slowly here, small particles which is actually broken during this process, they will get accumulated here, right? New accumulated soil is called as Khadar. What? It is type of alluvial soil. This is everything is alluvial soil only, but this is bhabar, big pebbles, tarai mixed with water, khadar, new soil. Which soil?
New soil.
New alluvial soil, which has maximum new kinder particles with potassium, lime, humus. What is humus? What is humus? I'll tell you. Keep in mind, when river is flowing through Himalaya, Dhanush, when river is flowing through Himalaya, it will get mixed with very many medicinal plants will get mixed with the water. Jungle, through jungle it is flowing, no? So many medicinal plants will come with contact with the water. That humus, dead animal, dead plants will flow fast and will get accumulated here. They will call us humus. What?
Humus.
Humus, that content, that makes soil fertile. What?
Fertile.
And what is old alluvium? This some soil becomes old. What it is called as?
Bhangar.
Huh?
Bhangar.
Bhangar. Bhangar or Bhangar. Bhabar, big pebbles, tarai, small. Then khadar, new alluvium, which is more fertile. And this bhangar is also fertile but not like new. Keep in mind, new person will have maximum juice. Old person will not be able to do kelsa work, right? Like, okay. This is all about which soil? Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is one of the most fertile soil. India's 40% population is living in this area only. UP, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, some parts of Rajasthan, some parts of Punjab. See how this area is lucky because of this alluvial soil. And this alluvial soil is formed through this process. Fine? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.